Morning, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And behind the camera is my son, Michael. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
And today, guys, we're here because I'm going to be making some pork chops. Now, these pork chops, as you can see, they're very thin, so they're going to cook really fast. So, this morning I went to the doctor, and the doctor told me that my cholesterol is very, very high. So, she said, stop frying stuff. And don't eat stuff that has too much cholesterol, too much grease, like fried foods, you know what I'm saying? Or beef that has a lot of fat, like string meat that has a lot of fat, stuff like that. So I got these because I love me some pork chops. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. This is gonna be a very easy dish to make. Just follow me. I took a baking sheet. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil like that. Now I'm gonna take these pork chops that are in the package and I'm gonna place them like this in the bottom. I don't think I'm gonna be able to put them all. What do you think, Michael?
Maybe.
Go. Well, I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can do 6, right? Yep. We can do 6. Here we are, guys. This is from the other one. Okay. And then after I'm done with that, the first thing we're gonna put is adobo seasoning. Why adobo seasoning? Because adobo seasoning has everything. And it's all purpose, which means that you can use it for anything that you want to cook. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray some adobo seasoning. Then I'm going to take my garlic powder. Always remind yourself that these are very thin. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn them around, see? Because that's why I put the olive oil on the bottom. So when they cook nice and moist. And they don't dry out. Like I said, you see how thin they are? These are gonna be really done. You put a little bit of adobo again on the top, the other side. A little bit of garlic powder. And I cut a red onion. Now this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna put some onions, okay? Like this. Hold on, guys. And then you're gonna throw them in the oven. Let me put a couple of more pieces because you're gonna see how delicious they come out. It's gonna take what? We're gonna put them in for what, Michael? For half hour, uncover. I don't wanna cover them because they're gonna cook really fast on 400. I'm gonna put 20 minutes, and in 20 minutes we're gonna be back. I already have the oven going. Come on, Michael. It's on 339, so it's almost 400. It's going up real fast. So I'm gonna put them right in right now. Right on the top like that. And we're gonna go to the timer here. And I said 20 minutes, 2, 0, 0, 0. And timer, hit it again. And in 19 minutes and 58 seconds, we'll be back. Thanks for watching. Don't go away. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned because we're coming right back in only 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. So we're back. Michael, come here. So as you can see, we still have 1 minute and 23 seconds. So they're not done 100% yet. So we're gonna we're just gonna like redo this here, and we're gonna put 10 more minutes. And here we go. And then we're gonna be right back after that. Okay, guys? So don't go away. And I hope you guys you're gonna love this recipe because it's so simple, like you saw me. Adobo seasoning, garlic powder, and red onion slices on the top. You put it on 400 in the oven, half hour. No, we put 20 minutes, and then we put another 10 minutes. So that's 30 minutes. So let's see what happens after this other 10 minutes, okay? We'll be right back. Thanks for watching. Welcome back. So as you can hear the oven clock going off. So that means that these are done. Let me just press this. And I'm gonna take these out. Those two, I put them in like 5 minutes after I put these. So these are done. I'm gonna pull them out with 2 things.
Look at that, y'all.
Second, Michael. And now you're gonna see.
Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that.
Right. Yeah. And you eat them like that. That's it. Here they are. It is. Yeah. They sound very nice. I'm gonna take one. Got a little piece. Okay.
Oh yeah.
You want yours, right, Mike, too?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, there you go. Let me take one of these. This one. Look, see? This is what they look like, guys. Which one you want? You want this one?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Put it like that, and let me get a knife so everybody can see. Teddy and Ginger, be careful. This sort of dog. So anyways, guys, make these at home. You're gonna love them. This is really, really good. You know, so I mean, the doctor wants me to eat almost everything. Sorry, guys. With wow.
How's that, Mama?
And got me a person.
Delicious.
And I just put adobo. I didn't put salt, so I don't make him that salty. That guy's really good. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us. We're on Pinterest, we're on TikTok, and we're on YouTube. So just go to those three platforms, and you can watch us anytime you want. Subscribe to the channel that way, and press the notification button. So every time we make one of these videos, you can be notified immediately. Okay, guys? So I love you all. Thanks for watching. And always remember what I always tell everyone: don't drink and drive. Have a great day.